Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a payment extension with Boost Mobile. Now this is the official terms of Boost Mobile and I'll show you here on page 5, okay, what they say about this. So Boost Mobile actually offers you a 10-day grace period after your payment due date, okay, and you can update your payment method within the My Boost, okay, mobile app or website. You can go ahead and do that. Now, if you're unable to update your payment method or you need assistance, guys, what you can do is you can also go ahead and call them here on this number. So you can dial this number here, basically 833-502-6678, okay? And then you can also chat with the mobile support by clicking the chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can chat with Boost Mobile support and their availability times, guys, if you're wondering what times are available, they are available every day between 8 a.m. to midnight ET. And for a Boost, activation assistant, guys, you can contact their Boost Buddy activation specialist at this number. So 833-502-6678. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.